Are you looking for furniture assembly services near you? The Allsup Company can provide insured and skilled assemblers, installers, and handymen for all your furniture assembly needs. Through our company, Furniture and Fitness Equipment Assembly Services. We are here for office furniture assembly needs, in-home furniture assembly, and retail furniture assembly. We offer over 100 upfront and pre-priced assembly services. Just click on the Furniture Assembly tab and you can see all our upfront pre-priced services. Click the service you're looking for. Select the day and time that best fits you. Give us a little information about yourself. And then you're all set.